Is it a good time to sell? Is it a good time to buy? Give me 15 minutes and find out for yourself. I'll give you a detailed market update for this month and a forecast for next, for your town and your neighborhood. Hello and welcome to a review of this month's Vancouver market report for Coquitlam detached single-family houses. I'm your host, Lori Blake, with RE/MAX Results Realty, and I've been turning dreams to addresses in the Lower Mainland for over 25 years. What are the Vancouver market reports? The Vancouver market reports were created by a group of realtors who felt the sales information provided by the different real estate boards, while both reliable and timely, did not provide the whole picture of the condition of the market. The plan was to monitor, record, and further refine this information to create a more in-depth picture of the local real estate market. The data would need to be dissected and analyzed to identify the key indicators required for the reports. It would take a serious investment of analytical skill, time, and money, as it required ongoing monitoring, recording, testing, and retesting each identifiable indicator for validity over an extended period of time in all market types. It was also clear from the very beginning that the reports needed to be city and neighborhood specific to have real value. The goal was to create monthly market analyses to allow us to predict the next months, the next quarters, market conditions by monitoring, identifying, and illustrating those same key indicators, to create and provide market-leading strategies for our clients to succeed in all market types. I offer those results for your review. I honestly believe that people need and deserve a professional, a real estate activist, if you will, with one of the largest investments of their life. That real estate is a means for long-term financial success and a solid foundation of their life's plan. Coquitlam, part of the Tri-Cities. Downtown Vancouver is just 20 kilometers away, 30 minutes by road or 20 minutes by commuter rail. The central location borders Burnaby and Port Moody to the west, New Westminster to the southwest, and Port Coquitlam to the southeast. Burke Mountain, Eagle Ridge, and the picturesque Coquitlam Mountain form the northern boundary of the city. Coquitlam's population exceeds 129,000, making it the 5th largest city in British Columbia. Coquitlam is served by School District 43 and offers 4 public secondary, several more middle schools, and dozens of elementary schools. And now for some Real Estate 101. How do we define market types? When market activity is 21 to 40+%, we are in a seller's market. When market activity is 15 to 20%, we're in a stable market. When market activity is 14% and lower, we are in a buyer's market. Here we see how many properties have sold and at what price range in the past month in $100,000 increments. Fair to say we all have a pretty good idea of the price bracket our properties fall into. For example, if it's less than $500,000 or if it's $600,000 to $700,000 or any other $100,000 price bracket. This chart allows us to quickly see how your price range is doing in total listings, how many properties actually sold in the month, how long it took to sell, based on market, the listed sale price discount in dollars and percentage, and then finally what percentage of the total listings sold in each price bracket. The high sales activity by $100,000 increments in Coquitlam detached single family for the month of September 2012 was a price bracket $600,000 to $700,000. There were 133 listings available, 18 sales, which averaged 21 days on the market, representing a 13.5% sell-through rate. The average list-to-sell price discount was $24,200. On this screen, we see the total activity for all properties for the month. We review and compare all properties which were available for purchase this month, then we compare that to last month, and then compare that to the same month last year. To provide the most accurate picture of the monthly sales activity, the Vancouver Market Reports uses the starting monthly inventory plus the newly listed properties for the month, plus expired listings for that month, plus the canceled and terminated listings for that month to create a total listings marketed for the month figure. This chart actually shows us how many of them sold during the month, how long it took to sell, days on market, the average list price to sale price difference in dollars and percentage, as well as the percentage of total listings sold during the month. It is part of our checks and balances, which allows us for normal seasonal swings and is designed to help us identify striking changes to the other key indicators. In Coquitlam, for the month of September 2012, there were 754 detached single-family listings available, with 68 sales, representing a 9% sell-through rate, which is at par with the 8.5% from the previous month and down from 15.9% the same month last year, which confirms a buyer's market. The sales averaged 23 days on the market and had an average list-to-sell price discount of $29,140. This chart shows what's sold in your specific neighborhood area. It was designed to provide you with the sales activity numbers a lot closer to home. It does not and was never intended to replace the comparative market analysis required to evaluate each individual property. Please call us for that information. So, by neighborhood, how many properties were available, how many properties actually sold in the month, how long they took to sell, days on market, and the average list price sale price difference in both percentage and in dollars, as well as percentage of total listings sold during the month. I highlight two neighborhoods each month to demonstrate the importance of this level of research. In Chineside, for the month of September 2012, there were 22 detached single-family listings available, 4 sales, which averaged 52 days on the market, representing an 18.2% sell-through rate. The average list-to-sell price discount was $71,500. In New Horizons, for the month of September 2012, there were 26 detached single-family listings available, 5 sales, which averaged 53 days on the market, representing a 19.2% sell-through rate. The average list-to-sell price discount was $30,000. How has the market performed this past month and year? This graph shows each of the past 12 months' listings and sales. It is key in identifying patterns to assist us to forecast the next month's and next quarter's market strength and market type. The blue line details the total listings in each of the past 12 months. Again, here we show the same month last year. Next, we add the red line to detail the actual sales in each one of those months. The corresponding bar graph across the bottom illustrates those same sales as a percentage of the total available listings, the sell-through rate. This graph visually illustrates, for the month of September 2012, the 754 detached single-family listings available, with 68 sales representing a 9% sell-through rate, which is at par at 9% with the previous month and down from 12% the same month last year. The peak sell-through rate for the past 12 months was in March at 26%, with 594 listings and 155 sales, representative of a seller's market for that particular month. The peak listings count for the past 12 months was October at 878 listings and 85 sales, which at 10% was representative of a buyer's market for that particular month. How does the housing price index compare to last year? And what was the average list price to sale price discount? In the pursuit of accuracy, the Vancouver Market Report Housing Price Index is adjusted with a 25% weighting for both the home size and lot size, a 12.5% weighting for age, and is calculated using the middle 50% of the sales. The top 25 and the bottom 25% of the sales are excluded from the calculations, as they are shown to skew the data in random directions, causing unacceptable margins of error. In 2012, we removed all new and one-year-old homes from the index because some sales included HST, while some rebate to the HST to the builder, thus creating fluctuations of 15% up or down on how the final sale is reported. This graph maps the Vancouver Market Report Housing Price Index with a solid blue line, along with the MLS Housing Price Index in the purple dotted line, by month and by year to date. The bottom red bar graph details the average sales discount from list price to sale price for each of the last 12 months. In Coquitlam for the month of September 2012, the Vancouver Market Report Housing Price Index, VMR HPI, was $723,373, which is down $4,117,000 from the August 12th figure of $727,490, and at par for the same month last year. The average sales discount rate for the month of September was $29,150. This is an increase from the average sales discount rate of $25,400 from the previous month. The Vancouver Market Report and Forecast, Coquitlam Single Family, September 2012. How did the market perform for the month? Coquitlam's 9% sold rate keeps it in a strong buyer's market. This means 9 homes out of 100 sold in September. With a 96% sell to list price ratio, which calculates to an average list to sale price discount of $29,150 from the original list price. Coquitlam is the home of the micro markets with very mixed hot-cold areas, so please do check your neighborhood's percentage sold rate. The most active price range for the month were homes between $600,000 and $7,000, with a 13.5% sold rate, an average of 21 days on the market, with listed sale price discounts of $24,200. The least active for the month were homes above $1.25 million, with a low 1.1% sold rate, meaning 1 sale out of 94 listings. Vancouver Market Report and Forecast, Coquitlam Single Family, September 2012. Next month's market forecast. We currently have high listing inventories and a diminishing buyer's demand beyond seasonal expectations. The forecast for next month is the market will move to a strong buyer's market, putting increased pressure on prices. Remember that every cloud has a silver lining. If you've been thinking of a bigger house, this market offers excellent move-up opportunities with increased built-in savings. I'd be happy to get together to discuss your plans. Give me a call at 604-551-5654 or email homes@turningdreamsaddresses.com to arrange your personal comparative market analysis, and let's get moving. This graph confirms what we as local RE/MAX realtors already know, that we're involved in 1 out of every 3 real estate transactions in your town and across Canada. We are also Canada's most recognized and trusted brand. With this kind of proven performance, why not give me a call? I offer these market reports for your consideration, as I honestly believe that people need and deserve a professional, a real estate activist, if you will, with one of the largest investments of their life. That real estate is a means for long-term financial success and a solid foundation of their life's plan. I have built a team with those same beliefs as their core values. As your advocate, we provide winning strategies for all types of market conditions and empower our clients through market education, insight, and knowledge. For service and commitment, let our team help guide you to your next sale or purchase. I look forward to seeing you again to next month's Vancouver Market Report. This is Lori Blake with RE/MAX Results Realty, signing off.